forget. Spotlights on the latest trend. Fashion never seems to end. Colors bold and fabric sleek. Fashion weeks that make us speak. Lights and runways we adore. Fashion shows we shout for more. Every stitch and every thread. Designer visions in our head. Backstage whispers, secrets told. Fashion shows we shout for more. Every stitch and every thread. Designer visions in our head. Backstage whispers, secrets told. Outfits glitter, diamonds bold. Cameras click, they strike a pose. Every detail finally shows. Lights and runways we adore. Fashion shows we shout for more. Every stitch and every thread. Designer visions in our head. Backstage whispers, secrets told. Fashion shows we shout for more. Every stitch and every thread. Designer visions in our head. From New York to Paris streets, fashion's rhythm never cheats. Striding forward, onward flow, in the world of fashion shows. Lights and runways we adore. Fashion shows we shout for more. Every stitch and every thread. Designer visions in